In this video, I've got a basic tutorial for you on how to organize your photos in Adobe Lightroom Classic. Coming up. Hi, and welcome to It's Never Too Late to Learn. If you're new to this channel, my name is Charles Cabrera. It's my mission to bring you short and easy tutorials all about Photoshop, Lightroom, and photography. If you'd like to learn this way, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Let's get on with the tutorial. Using Adobe Lightroom Classic is one of the best ways that you can organize your photos. You don't have them all over your hard drive in different places. Inside of Lightroom, you can manage them and keep track of a lot of different information. One of the best ways to do that is to use something called collections. So that is in the library module. In the library module here on the left-hand side, there's the collections area. So what is a collection? Well, it's similar to the file structure of the photos on your computer, except that they only exist in Lightroom. So just a quick demonstration here. If I wanted to, I could drag in a photo into a collection, and it's here in the collection so I can go back to it later, but I didn't change the position of this photo on my computer. So this only exists in Lightroom. I can go back and I could drag another photo in. This photo was in one collection. I could put that same photo in another collection. It can exist in two places. But so that's basically what a collection is, and just know that it hasn't changed where you originally stored your photo on your computer. It's just a placeholder where you can go back later and make adjustments to it, do anything you would like as far as editing. Over here on the left, in the collections area, let's click this plus, and up pops a dialog, and let's create a collection called Parks. Okay, now let's create another collection. Click on the plus. Let's call this one Red Rock Canyon. Okay, over here in the collections area, you can see we have two new collections, Parks and Red Rock Canyon. So now what we can do to add in some photos, click the first one, shift, click the last one. We have all these selected. I will drag them all into Parks. And notice right here, the number is 14 that have been added to this collection. And let's add some more. So I'll select the first one, go all the way down to the last one on this screen. Drag them all into Red Rock Canyon, and the number is now 49. So that's how you very quickly add in photos into collections. Say there's a photo that you don't want in the collection no more. You just highlight it, hit delete or backspace, and it has been removed, in this case from the Parks collection, but not from your hard drive. So you don't have to worry about deleting them off your hard drive. It's just been removed from the collection. So if we go back into the collections area and click on the plus again, we can create a collection set. Let's call this Nevada. And create that. So now what we can do is say this is all our activities or places we've been in Nevada. So let's drag the parks collection into the collection set, and we can drag Red Rock Canyon into the Nevada collection set. And if we collapse everything and come down to this, looks like a shoebox, I guess. Click on the Nevada collection set, and the two collections that we put in them is right here. So what's good about this is you may have many collection sets and many collections in this area. By the time you're getting used to this and organizing all your photos really nice. So if all this was collapsed, what you can do is come in here and search, and let's say I put in parks and went right to it. There it is. So as this list gets longer, it's just a quick way to get to a collection set, and within that collection set to a certain collection that you're trying to reach. Lightroom provides a way for you to flag any of your photos for a lot of different reasons. Say, for instance, if you want to flag your photos that you want to delete, or flag photos that you want to edit. Well, first of all, what you would do is check to see if you have this menu bar down here showing. What you can do is go up here to your Lightroom menu, and you say View, and it's the toolbar up here. So right now mine is showing, so I don't want to hide it. So make sure that is not on hide toolbar. So what you can do is you can come down here and say, I want to choose all the photos that I want to edit. I'm going to go through all my photos in this collection, and I want to choose the ones that I want to edit, that I want to work on. So what you can do is you can highlight the photo, and you can click the flag, and that's you're picking it. That's a pick. So you just go through, click on the flag, you're picking that one, pick there. These are the ones that I want to edit. What I can also do is use the keyboard shortcut P, and it's the same thing as clicking on that flag. And there'll be others in here that maybe I want to delete. So I could come down here to this flag, the X, and that one I'm going to delete. I could delete this one. Right now they're picked, so these are marked that I can delete them later. And a shortcut for using the X or the flag for deleting is an X. I could say X, or come down here and click. So now I have photos that have a pick status, whether it's picked it to keep it or picked it to delete it. But what you can do is you can come up here to the menu, the view menu, and where it says sort, and you can sort by pick. So here now you can see that after I sorted by picks, the images that I want to save for editing later, or the images that I flagged that I want to edit later, are at the top, and everything that was not flagged is in between, and then the images that were flagged for delete or reject or at the end. So now there's another way that we can organize, sort, and rate these photos. So now what we can do is we can come down here and we have ratings that we can give a photo. So say this image here, if it was one of our favorites, we can give it 5 stars. And let's give this one 5 stars. Let's give this one 3 stars. Let's give this one 1 star. And again, we can go to the view menu, sort, and sort by rating. Now at the top you can see where we have our images that are sorted by how we rated them, from 5 stars down to 2 stars. So that's another method. I also want to point out that you could also color your images too. You can have a rating system by color, whatever you choose. You can just highlight the color and your image will have another type of rating system. So now all the ways that we flagged the photos, whether it was with the pick or rated with the stars or rated with colors, and we sorted them, well, now there's something else we can do. We can filter by those things, or they call them attributes. So up here at the view menu, there's something called show filter bar, and that is up here. You can hide or show that. So now let's use the filter bar. So here are all our attributes for filtering. Here are the ones we flagged and picked with the P shortcut. Here are the ones that we flagged as rejected with the X shortcut. Over to the rating. Clicking on the first one, rating greater than or equal to 1 star. Those are all the photos that we rated greater than 1 star. Greater than 2 stars. Greater than 3 stars. And greater than 4 stars. And to remove all this filter, just click on the last one and you have all of them again. We also rated some by color, by red. Here's some by red, one by green. And if we don't want to see any filtering, we just click the none, and all of our photos are back. So Adobe Lightroom Classic is a great way to organize your photos on your computer. That way you don't have to go searching, you know where everything is at. And so that brings us to the question of the day. How are you currently organizing your photos on your computer? Let me know in the comments below. So thanks for watching. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. And remember, it's never too late to learn. So if you want more tutorials, check out the videos that are on the screen right now. Until then, see you in the next video.